I travel across the world in educating businesses on how to use AI more effectively. So I'll go over 3 different things. One is how to use it right now, what is to come in the future, and what to prepare for as well, and how do you really implement it to get more sales. So one thing we found, we're working with a lot of these organizations with AI, is the fact that some employees know how to use AI, but they're scared because they don't know what the company is approving as far as their use. So they just rather not use it at all. So that's why you want to have these conversations with your employees of how they should use AI. That means for you is you want to make sure that your content is effective enough to rank higher in those AI searches. So it's not just about being the first page of Google anymore. Now you need to be top 5, top 3 of Google in order to be in these AI search engines. Optimization is where many businesses fall short. They log in and they see the information, but the challenge is they got to act on that information and to really understand that information. You want to lean into what type of experience you can create for your members and your potential members. Now, I worked at Google and I learned how to market and I learned how to work with many types of businesses. There's so many organizations out there, large or small, that don't know where to start. When you think about content, think about entertaining content, educational content, and sales content. For LinkedIn, the best time to post is on Thursday, because by Thursday, everybody's upset with their jobs and fed up and looking for new jobs. That's my personal opinion. So I realized I was doing a lot of promoting, but I wasn't paying attention to the future. So what I started doing now is looking towards what people are searching, what people are interested in, and what's happening now and what's going to happen 3 months from now, a year from now.
Just had the opportunity to see Chris's presentation on AI. It was outstanding. It was accessible, informative, and Chris delivered a ton of energy. I think what I liked most about it was that he had prepared well to really apply the material to our industry. AI became very, very practical. We can apply it, and really Chris gave us some great take-homes I can immediately apply to our organization.
Chris's presentation was very thoughtful and well put together, and it was very kind of purpose-driven in terms of how you can affect change and be more, I think, more aware of the environment that we're all working through right now. So I really recommend listening to his presentation, picking up his book.
When you work with me as your presenter of your conference or event, I make sure that the content is customized, such as doing surveys with a portion of your group that's going to be in the audience, or it could even be me talking with leaders in the organization to make sure that we understand the challenges that you're facing.
Hi, my name is Fariba. Today we had Chris join us today at BCAM Capital Partners. He gave us a great presentation on AI. We learned a lot about ChatGPT, even other software and tools that we could incorporate in our workplace. People were very engaged. He asked wonderful questions. And even our CEO, Brian, he loved the presentation and he was very engaged. So I thank you so much for joining us today.